Today we're looking at the PEXA forms for conveyancing electronic settlements, as well as the client identification forms which are also required for our electronic conveyancing settlements. This first form that we've got here is the client authorisation form. This needs to be completed in front of a qualified person, being either a Commissioner for Declaration, Justice of the Peace, or solicitor. The key to our PEXA and client identification forms is that you are required to have a face-to-face meeting with one of the three qualified people that we will refer to as the identity verifier from now on. So the very first form we have here is our client authorisation. This authorises us, the subscriber, Whitsunday Law, to conduct your PEXA settlement on your behalf. The first step you have to do as the client is to ensure that your client details here have been completed correctly. The next step is to ensure that the property information that you are buying or selling is completed correctly. The most important part is while you are at your face-to-face meeting with your client identifier that you sign the document in front of them. If you wish to attend our office, one of the members of Whitsunday Law, who is also a Commissioner for Declarations, Justice of the Peace or Solicitor, can sign as the subscriber and that they have witnessed your signature at the time of signing. If you are unable to attend the offices of Whitsunday Law, you must locate a JP, Commissioner for Declarations or Solicitor local to yourself, and when they witness your signature, they have to complete the agent details. So therefore, the client sign at the client spot here. If you are coming into Whitsunday Law, we will sign as the subscriber here. If you are unable to attend our office, the qualified identity verifier needs to complete the agent information.